Welcome to Prestige Automotive's BMW 3 Series Touring, also known as the E91, a September 2011 vehicle on a 61 registration, finished in BMW's black sapphire metallic exterior and the saddle brown leather interior. A superb specification that comes with the tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof. It comes with the folding mirror package, Xenon headlights, front fog lights, heated front driver and passenger seat, electric memory driver seat with a 2 memory setting, and this very own example has only covered 32,000 verified miles from new. A beautiful specification and in superb condition throughout, which you'd really have to appreciate by coming in to view it. And to take you inside the interior, we've got the leather finished door cards, controls for your windows, your mirrors, space here in the door bins, BMW silver finished kick plates, and the driver's seat here, as you can see, in excellent condition, again as you would expect for the low mileage. Electrically adjusted. And it also comes with the 2 memory setting for driver 1 and number 2. 51,504 verified kilometers, which is equivalent to 32,000 verified miles. We've got your multifunctional leather steering wheel. Quick overview of the dashboard. All in nice order. Electric power folding mirrors. Same on the opposite side. We've got the wood combination dashboard here as well, as you'll be able to see, which is a dark wood effect. Gives it a great amount of contrast inside the interior with the saddle brown leather. We have your infotainment screen with your radio. As you may be able to hear in the background, we've got a CD player here as well. We've got your heating and air conditioning climate control settings, heated seats for both passenger and driver with a 3 temperature setting, automatic gearbox, park, reverse, neutral drive. Then you have a sports and a manual Tiptronic option as well. Very nice and neat and tidy throughout so far. Have your armrest. We've got your panoramic sunroof. Has to be the highlight of the car itself, and it has a tilt option for both the front side of the glass and the rear. Absolutely fantastic. Gives a great amount of light inside the interior, although we've got the saddle brown leather, which is light enough, but perfect for them summer drives away. And to take you to the rear passenger seating area, electric windows also here at the rear. ISOFIX anchor point on this seat here and on the far side, so it's a great family size vehicle at the same time. Car comes prepared with the mats all the way around. And then we have your split folding rear seats by just this lever here. We have a sliding removable parcel shelf, and you can do the same on the opposite side as well, so it's a great practical vehicle at the same time. And to take you towards the rear of the car, show you down the offside. There are going to be some age-related imperfections around the interior and exterior, ladies and gentlemen, but overall nothing there to report or to be alarmed about. And to bring you to the rear, got your rear bumper in very nice presentable order. Same with the rear glass and tailgate. We've got your split opening glass section to enter the boot area. Then we have your main opening of the tailgate. Parcel shelf. And to show you around the seals, all in order. Show you down the near side. and an overview of the roof. Very, very tidy throughout. Please visit our website, link will be in the description below, and view the detailed images we've taken of our very own example, which give you a better idea of how much space you do have here at the back where the seat's flat down. Let's bring it towards the front of the car. Passenger side seat, again very nice, neat and tidy. No wear and tear on the bolsters, most common area. Kick plates very nice and tidy throughout, no major signs of any wear and tear. Xenon headlights for the brighter visibility. Front fog lights, and underneath the engine bay, very tidy again, as you would expect. Engines running in the background, as you may be able to hear. So there we have it, guys. To recap, BMW 3 Series Touring, 320i, automatic petrol, ULEZ compliant, 5-seater. Finished in BMW's black sapphire metallic exterior and the brown saddle leather interior, plus the wood combination dashboard, and has only covered 32,000 verified miles from new. A like new example, as they call it in the trade, in like new condition, and it comes with a superb specification: 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, a tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof, folding mirror package, Xenon headlights, front fog lights, heated front seats. And for more information, ladies and gentlemen, please see our contact details below. Finance and delivery available, dealership facilities. If there's anything we have missed out on this video, please do be in touch and we'll be delighted to assist you. Thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to speaking to you very, very soon.